Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and order a physical card on Revolut? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Revolut application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you've done that, on the home screen, tap the card icon in the top right corner. Tap on add new and then choose physical card from the options and then swipe to see different card designs and colors. Follow the prompts to enter or confirm your delivery address and PIN. Then check the final cost as fees for the card and delivery. So standard versus express are shown before you pay. Pay for the card and delivery using your Revolut balance or linked payment method. So there are a couple key things that you need to remember. You must have completed ID verifications in the app first. The first standard card often has a delivery fee, and express delivery costs extra fees are shown in the app. And then you'll need to activate the physical card in the app once it arrives. I hope this video was clear to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.